One of the best perks of owning a home is the freedom to install any smart device you want. In a rented apartment, though, your choices are much more restricted. You typically can't make any major changes or heavy installations in your apartment without risking trouble with your landlord. Renting doesn't mean giving up the perks of a connected home. We've compiled the 7 best apartment-friendly smart devices that require no installation and can be easily packed up when you move. So let's dive in. A smart plug can turn any device that plugs into the wall, whether it's a lamp, space heater, humidifier, or even a Christmas tree, into a connected device you control from your phone. Smart plugs fit directly into a wall outlet or power strip, providing their own outlet for the device you want to automate. This way, you're not losing or gaining any outlets. You're simply upgrading an existing outlet by connecting it to your home Wi-Fi network. The TP-Link Kasa Smart Wi-Fi Plug Slim with energy monitoring offers seamless integration into your smart home setup. Its compact design ensures it won't block adjacent outlets, while the energy monitoring feature provides valuable insights into your consumption habits. With app and voice control compatibility with major platforms like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Samsung SmartThings, managing your devices has never been easier. Overall, it's a versatile and reliable addition to any smart home. Whether you live in an apartment or not, a smart display or smart speaker is a must-have for your connected home setup. Smart displays provide hands-free voice assistant capabilities like smart speakers, but with added screens for following recipes, checking calendars, making video calls, and controlling connected devices with a simple tap. When it comes to the smart display, the Echo Show 8 reigns as our favorite choice, offering the perfect blend of affordability, screen size, and sound quality. Its 13-megapixel camera delivers crisp video calls, while the built-in Smart Home Hub enhances connectivity. You can enjoy vibrant visuals and full sound from Prime Video, Netflix, and more. Also, control your devices seamlessly with Zigbee, Matter, and Thread compatibility, and stay connected with hands-free video calls and share memories with Amazon Photos. Elevate your smart home game with the Echo Show 8's sleek design and enhanced features. Some security systems require professional installation and long-term contracts with costly early termination fees. However, for renters, DIY options offer simplicity and flexibility. One of the top options for that is the Wyze Cam OG, a versatile wired camera that provides round-the-clock surveillance. With its 1080p HD video and color night vision, you'll never miss a detail, even in the dark. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, its IP65 rating ensures durability in any weather. Equipped with a built-in 40mm spotlight and mini siren, it helps deter intruders before they strike. Receive instant alerts for motion or sound detection with customizable settings to suit your needs. Plus, enjoy two-way audio to communicate with visitors or pets. Easy to set up with included stand or wall mount, the Wyze Cam OG is your reliable guardian for peace of mind. For apartments without central cooling, a smart air conditioner is a great solution. The GE Profile Window Air Conditioner offers maximum convenience and saves energy bills during warmer months. Enjoy a full window view with the unit's unique design, allowing for natural light and easy opening and closing of the window. With ultra-quiet operation reaching as low as 41 dB, you'll hardly notice it's there. The industry-exclusive Flex Depth feature adapts to various wall thicknesses, while built-in Wi-Fi connectivity lets you control the AC from anywhere via the Smart HQ app or voice commands with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Choose from 3 fan speeds and 4 cooling modes for personalized comfort, while the automatic pump eliminates the hassle of manual drainage. Elevate your home comfort with the GE Profile Window Air Conditioner, the perfect solution for small rooms. The full-size ovens may not always be practical for apartments. However, there are numerous compact smart kitchen gadgets available, requiring only a bit of counter space to enhance culinary convenience. Enter the Instant Pot Pro Plus, a kitchen powerhouse with 10-in-1 functionality. From pressure cooking to sous vide, it does it all. Stay connected and inspired with the Instant Brands Connect app, boasting over 1,900 smart recipes to jazz up your menu. Operating it is a breeze thanks to its intuitive touch controls and stress-free steam release. Plus, with 20% higher power, it delivers top-notch cooking performance. It's the only multi-cooker with a premium cookware-grade inner pot, making it versatile for stovetop use. Cook up a storm for family gatherings or meal prepping with its generous capacity, and enjoy hassle-free cleanup with dishwasher-safe parts ensuring worry-free cooking every time with over 10 safety features. When it's cleaning time, a reliable robot vacuum takes care of dust, pet hair, and debris effortlessly, leaving you hands-free. The latest floor cleaning bots, like the ECOVACS DEEBOT X2 Omni, offer more than just vacuuming and mopping. Featuring a self-emptying dustbin, a self-cleaning mop, and a built-in voice assistant, it's the ultimate 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop you can buy. Equipped with innovative AI and mapping technology, it navigates your home efficiently, leaving no corner untouched. Plus, its unique design allows it to clean not only floors, but also surfaces like countertops and tables. With powerful suction and long battery life, it tackles dirt, dust, and pet hair effortlessly. The ECOVACS app provides convenient control and scheduling options, while voice command compatibility adds an extra layer of convenience. Whether you're busy or just want to relax, the ECOVACS DEEBOT X2 Omni has your cleaning needs covered. Upgrade your apartment effortlessly and cost-effectively by replacing traditional bulbs with LED smart bulbs. With OREiN Matter, smart LED bulbs unlock endless possibilities for ambience. These energy-efficient alternatives not only last longer but also seamlessly integrate with various platforms for hassle-free setup and also support voice control. Enjoy stable connections and top-notch security, ensuring peace of mind. With vibrant colors, music sync features, and customizable scenes, you can set the perfect ambience for any occasion. With over 16 million colors, enjoy music sync lights that groove to the rhythm and dimmable warm to cool whites. The DEEBOT app lets you craft personalized scenes, even simulating sunlight for mood enhancement. Plus, their energy-efficient design and long lifespan make them a sustainable choice. These bulbs shine bright with just 8 watts of power, equivalent to 60 watts of brightness, ensuring efficiency without compromise. Elevate your space with OREiN Matter, smart LED bulbs today. And that's our top pick for 7 best apartment-friendly smart home devices to enhance your living space. Which one do you need for your apartment? Let us know. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.